Figured another item from Temu. I'm unboxing now. I got the shipping label off. So let's move on. Tape's coming off easily. Those bugs in the box. What the hell, Temu? That killed them. So it's a cheap speaker. I don't think it sounds really good. I could upgrade the speakers though. Got it for free. It's like a little karaoke machine. It's instruction manual. Cheap cord. Some audio cord. XLR. It's like there are a lot of amps. Oh my god, it's infested a little bit. What the hell, Temu? Gotta kill this one. Really infested with ants. I hate ants. Here comes with the microphone. That's shitty, Oh, this fucking ant's gonna come out. Oh my god. What's up with ants? There's another live one that's a lie. Better fucking kill those motherfuckers. One of my nard. And some deserve to live. Yeah, most of them. It's the speaker itself. It's almost too bad. Wow, it's actually pretty sturdy. Oh my god. Best with ants. It has 3-inch drivers. Turn it on.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
She has bass. It's not horrible. I like the light. I probably would upgrade the speakers though. The tweeters. Yeah, I could probably install tweeters in there. Try it again.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
That's not the worst. Wow. This is not a scam at all. I'm gonna hook up to my computer. I'm gonna pause. Okay, I got the speaker hooked up to my computer via Bluetooth. Let's play the song. This is at low volume. Until I walk away. Looks like a JBL party box for sure. The lights. Let's turn it up a bit louder. Wow, it does not sound the worst at all. I'm actually pretty impressed for a Chinese speaker. I'm gonna try to put on a bass heavy song. Okay, I got acid reflux on it. The volume's up all the way. I'm impressed. It does not sound bad at all. It sounds way better than my shitty Kenya speakers. I've heard way worse. It just sounds exceptionally good for a Chinese speaker. Let's try the microphone here. Okay, I got the microphone hooked up. Let's test this out. Testing. Look at, hear that echo. Nah. Let's see if I can change the modes. Oh,
Radio mode.
that's radio.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
That's Bluetooth mode.
The Bluetooth radio mode.
There's two modes.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device.
Let's see what
is
the
connected
LED button
successfully.
does. It changes the mode. It's not bad. I just wonder how to turn this reverb off. You can hear the reverb. Let's try it with music on. Hello. It actually gets pretty loud. It's like hurting my ears a bit. Speakers are moving. You see the speakers move. This is not the worst speaker in the world. It actually does what it's supposed to do. Let's take a look at the box. It's called an RGB light speaker. It has two 3-inch full range speakers, 6 light modes. Here's what the side of the box looks like. Shows you how the buttons work. I think. Yep. On the back, it shows the handle, on-off switch, micro USB charging and charging indicator, USB port, micro SD port, mic port, aux, LED light mode, previous song, play pause, music mode, next song, volume plus, volume items, volume plus / bass, music mode, EQ. I'm gonna try out the EQ in a few seconds. That's like, my model doesn't have it. What the hell? Yeah, I don't think this model has it. But regardless, it's not the worst speaker in the world. It has a little bit of bass. And hopefully else. I'm actually pretty impressed with this speaker. It gets pretty loud. There's a close look at the label. Focus. Yeah, it's the HY-3317. It goes down to 100 hertz and up to 18 kilohertz. So, it's not the deepest speaker in the world, but it has at least a little bit of bass. I think this sounds way better than my TV speakers. The speakers sound pretty good in there, but this has a bit more bass. I just can't believe a Chinese speaker sounds pretty good. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.